Salita na ako dito. Wait lang. Hold on po. I cannot hear, that's why. I was actually saying a lot of lines already. Hold on. Okay, that's the problem if I don't hear my voice. That is the problem. So again, no? Okay, bigla kasing, what do you call this one? Uh, my desktop experience a shutdown uh, on itself, to itself. No? Hold on. So again, I'll say this to you, okay? Okay, I prefer the other one. I am a detailed teacher, no? Even if I'm not updated, checking on your activities, I will check them, no? Going back. Okay, that's why if I'm telling you to be actually uh, message me, no? If you do not have assignment or anything activity, no? It doesn't mean I will not check it. But you know me, no? I sent you quarter one breakdown. That's how detailed I am. If you want to be actually asking the abbreviation on top, no? What's the meaning of ATP? What's the meaning of okay? If you actually see P there, it's project, no? Okay. So for this day, for your attendance again, no? Because I'm bothered. Okay, the others are not listening. Okay, the others are there, no? Okay, but I'm so busy with my ayan, with my what do you call that lecture, no? I'm rushing, no? Don't you notice? Kung hindi kayo makikinig, wala kayong matututunan. So I'm showing this to you. Those who have not responded have not, no? Marami kayo. Close ko na nga yan. Ba't ko i-close yan? Wait lang. Ano nangyari dyan? See if your desktop will actually shut down on itself, no? These ones are the recoveries. So again, I'll show this to you, no? Okay, NA there for the fourth quiz of your reporting is, it means 0, no? They did not take. Okay, NA. NA, and then these two. And then green here is with attendance yesterday, no? I sent this in your GC, you're not responding. The one who's responded only is Robles, no? So Robles, you're green now, you attended, no? Okay, for the others, I'll mark you absent, no? Oh, if you want, you're not responding, no? You're unresponsive, you're irresponsible, no? For your own, no? For your own sake, no? That's your attendance. Remember that your attendance have points also. So again, I'll show that to you, but that is in the GC, no? You respond. Otherwise, I'll mark you absent. For today's attendance, it's the same, no? Okay, you tell there, with first offline quiz. Without first offline quiz. Sige, expect your attendance now. Walang... Yung iba hindi ko maintindihan eh, no? Okay. You are focusing on something. You're not listening, no? You're not even using your headset. Mag-video cam kayong lahat dyan. Otherwise, absent ko pa kayo. No? See? That's how I read the yesterday's attendance. Am I right? Okay, anong ginagawa nyo? Hindi nakikinig? Yes, without headset. See? I've been telling you, no, I do not care, no, if you're not using video cam for as long as you're listening there. Without video cam, without headset. I think I will not consider anymore for those who are not responding, no? Spontaneously. Absent po kayo. Again, my concern is your attendance, no? You're not there, it's okay, video cam, but you're not listening, no? Can everybody open the Excel now? While waiting for my presentation. The Excel, no? The latest Excel that I sent you. It's not the assignment key answers, not. Everyone. You go to our GC. See, you hate those word problems. What kind of is being raised with a higher degree than the lesser degree? Okay, closer to U shape. No? Okay, and then this one also say something. No? Okay, this one x raised to 9 no, is more stiff. Okay, this one. And then when you decrease it, it's slightly bending. No? Then 5 and 3. Sige, about that. And this one, okay, this is the beginning now. Okay, you notice this one or these two. There are two graphs there or polynomial function. The first one is this one. Okay, function of x is equal to negative x cubed. Okay, notice that if it's a negative, it's pointing up left, no? And then down right, this one, no? Okay, that is not a broken line, huh? This one. Okay, so it's pointing left, up, right, down. Okay, that meaning it rises left, no? And then it's ano ba yung rise? Opposite. It's there in your textbook. Okay, going downward, right. But it's a negative. And then if you notice, it's cube. Okay, is it odd or even? It is odd. No? 3 is an odd. Okay. Notice this one. This is x cubed. It's a negative one. No? It's just but the opposite of it. What happens? No? Okay. Same odd. It's 3 exponent. And then a negative and a positive. This broken line is representation for that one. Okay. This one. Okay. A negative. Wait lang. Okay, I am facing myself, okay? If it's, sorry, ganun dapat. Okay. So if it's a negative, it must be like that, okay? And it's odd exponent pertaining to the arrows. Okay, it's extending infinitely. And then this one, the arrows is positive, exponent is odd. Okay? Dapat nakaganon. Okay, nakaganyan. Okay, let's go. The others. This one are what, no? Uh, pointing towards, the arrows are pointing towards the upper direction, no? What does it mean? That is a positive. Okay? If you actually multiply this and then add 3, it's giving you uh 8, no? That is even. This one, no? That is a function that gives you the highest degree, that is 8. Okay? That is a positive. Okay? X to the 4 times x to the 4 is x to the 8. Okay. What about a negative x raised to 8? It must be like that. Okay, that's the direction. Ano ba ito mga to? Okay, hold on. Babalik tayo dyan. They're talking about the domain. Okay, balik tayo dyan. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, this one, no? It's telling you. The leading term test. We call it the leading term test, no? Okay. The direction of your graph, and you see the arrows there, no? Telling the end tail, no? It's telling something, no? If it's x cubed, oh, that's the direction. But it's positive. It's odd. Okay. Yan yung sinasabi ko. This is odd, x cubed, exponent is odd, but this one is with a positive, no? Sign. X cubed has a positive sign. Imaginary positive before x. So that's the direction. What about this? You see this one. 5. Diyos ko po, baka hindi na kayo sumusunod dyan, no? 5 is also an odd, no? 3 is an odd, 5 is an odd here. But why is it that it's pointing here, no? Opposite of this one. This one. Because this one is a positive. Positive x cubed. This one, though it's odd exponent fifth, but it's negative. That's why it's the opposite, no? This one is pointing towards here and towards there. Opposite of this one. Okay. What about this? Okay, this is the opposite of, actually, not the opposite, but it's telling us that the exponent is even, is raised to the fourth, no? And 3 there is a positive 3. So it's pointing up, okay? And then this one, opposite of that is this one, no? Okay, take note. 6 is even exponent. And the negative is there, no? Negative 1. If there is a negative there, it's pointing down. Basically, this one, okay, this is the leading coefficient test. Leading term test. Ano tawag yan? Leading term test, no? Check your leading term, no? Do not evaluate any other term there, but the leading term, the highest, where the highest exponent is found. Okay, this one is the opposite of this one. Kuha? Okay, sige, ulitin. Rice is right, ayan na. To recap, leading term, no? Okay, the ones polynomial functions with odd exponent and the leading term is positive, okay, we'll have this polynomial function graph having the end tail direction this way, no? Rises right, falls left. Ayun pala yun, no? Falls left. Okay. Why? Because there is rises left, falls right, no? Okay, this one is rises right, falls left. Okay, so ibig sabihin, exponent is raised to, that's odd. It's 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. And then that uh, coefficient, whatever would that be, no? Beside that x coefficient, I'm not talking about exponent. It is but a positive. Okay, take note of that. And then next, this one is just the opposite of this, right? Okay, rises left, falls right. Okay, the exponent is the same. It's odd, 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. But the coefficient is a negative. Okay, next. This one, the exponent of the leading term is even. Okay, it's 2, 4, 6. Not including 0, It's 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. But the coefficient sign, the leading coefficient sign is a positive. Remember that, no? It's positive, pointing in this way. And then the opposite of that is a negative, no? Negative leading coefficient. And then the function's exponent is even also. It's 2, 4, 6, 8, blah, blah. Okay. 12, 16. Okay. Anong tawag dito? Which of the following is a possible graph? Tingnan natin to. Ibibigay ko sa inyo to example, no? Sa inyong quiz offline. Okay, quartic. What is quartic? Raised to? What is quartic class function? After cubic, it's quartic and then quintic. This is raised to 4, no? Okay, is it even or odd exponent? It is but even, no? Quartic. And then, okay, it's not being told if it's a positive or negative a negative coefficient, no? So, what is the graph? Could be. Okay, this one, this, or even this, no? Okay. Pero ang sabi dyan, quartic function lang, no? A possible graph of quartic function. Okay, it can be, siguro dapat dalawa, no? Okay. Pero isipin din natin na quartic yan, no? Ilang kembot yan, no? How many turning point? This is what we call the turning point, no? Okay, turning point. Okay, it's lesser than the zeros. But it's not quartic, no? Okay, is this showing quartic? How many zeros? Okay, how many x-intercepts? How many x-intercepts? Okay, evaluate that, no? And so on and so forth. Okay, let's go back there sa domain. Ako. Balik tayo dun sa kabila. Hindi na naintindihan. Okay, sige, let's go. Even and odd degree power functions are easy, Tignan nyo lang. Okay, and then just compare, no? Okay, it's telling about how narrow and less narrow, no, the functions are. Okay, so it's easy. Tingnan natin itong domain. Wait lang. Ito. Sige. A, B, C, let's check, no? Okay. If I'm going to actually graph letter A, this one is function. This is the graph. And then evaluate the values of your domain, X values. Okay. What can you say about the values of your X, the domain, if this is the kind of your graph, no? Okay, this means this one, no, has no restriction. That's why the domain or range rather, no, pertains to the y-axis. Itong y, no? As you go up, that's the value of your range, ha? Yan yung y values. This y values is pertaining to the range. This x values, of course, no? As this one's going up, it also extends itself, no? This one extends to the right, no? Widening right. Not up, no? Straight, no, it's not. Widening right. Infinity. This one is going left, expands itself towards left, not straight going down, huh? Okay. So what do you observe, no? There's no restriction for this graph. That's why the dominant set of real numbers, no restriction. And then range, set of real numbers. Then what about letter B? Okay, check this. That's raised to 4. Raised to 4 is what? Even or odd? That is even, no? It's 2, 4, 6, 8, no? So it's going towards up, no? It's positive. Okay, that is a positive. This one is a positive. Okay. And then, what do you notice, no? That raised to 4 is like a quadratic. It's like raised to 2. But the difference is that this one is narrower, no? This one. Ano ba yung narrow? Mas malapad. Okay, this is not pointed, no? It's close to letter U. Quadratic is more pointed than this one. This is raised to 4. And then what happens, no? The domain is extending, of course. This is x-axis for your domain. There's no restriction, no? Because it's widening out. It's going left, going right, infinitely. But what do you observe about the range, no? There is restriction. Okay? The y values, the range, no? It covers from -3, but it will not cover -3 down. There is restriction. This is the range. Naintindihan po ba? O, fa-follow naman ako? Okay, fa-follow ako, ha? Okay, and then, lastly, letter C, no? What do you observe with letter C? Okay, it's but raised to 2. Okay, I assume this is quadratic, no? Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, pointing towards down or left, eyes up, no? The two arrows, the end thing. Okay, if it's a negative, it's pointing towards down, no? Downward. Upward, if it's a positive. So for this one, I guess it's a positive. It must be pointing up. Letter C. Oh, it's a quadratic, no? Let's see how small turning point is, no? Compared to the raised to 4, raised to 6, 8. Okay. So for this one, arrow is telling us, no? There's no restriction. Actually, for all the polynomial functions, there is no restriction class for the x-axis values for your domain, no? Set of all real numbers. But for the range, you check, no? Okay, for this one, since it is a quadratic function, Okay, that is telling us it should start from positive 4 up, no? For that one, no? Okay. So class, remember that range is telling us also about the f of x, function of x. Okay? Function of x is equal to value, equals to y, no? Okay. It's equal to your range. Don't forget that. Okay, question? May tanong po ba? Okay, tomorrow mag-graph tayo. Wala na kasi tayong time, no? Okay, wala nang tanong, ha? Okay. So if I were you, no? Use your body, no? Okay. If I'm going to be actually, Diyos ko Lord. Sige. Kung ako ay tatayo, sige, gawa kayo ng sarili nyo, no? But of course, I'm using myself, self arm, no? Ito po yung arm ko, no? Hindi lang makita. Baka makita niyo pa yung short ko, Diyos ko Lord. Okay, so if it's pointing this way, okay, rises right, no? And then falls left. Okay, do yourself a function for that, no? Ano ito? Even or odd? Okay. What about this? Okay, the opposite of it, no? Tapos nakaturo sa baba ito. Even or odd? Tapos balik tayo dito. Going back here, no? Okay, what is the exponent again? Odd or even? Odd or even? What about the sign of the leading coefficient? Negative or positive? Negative or positive, no? And then this one is so easy, no? Okay. Is it positive or negative? Is it even or odd? Okay. Exponent, no? So if you're talking about an exponent, it's but even or odd only. No, don't mix the negative and positive because the negative and positive pertains to your leading coefficient. No, the number beside your x. Okay? Naintindihan na. Sige, tignan natin, no? Okay, what else? Sige, 3 minutes. Kanina kasi itong desktop na to biglang nag-download eh. Ay, nag-shutdown. Wala to dito yung papakita ko. Okay, sige. Naku po. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, galaw-galaw na sa Excel, no? Okay. Ayan. Okay, sige, let's go. We have 3 minutes. Nakagalit na kayo sa akin, lagi ako nag-extend. Okay, what do you notice about this, no? It is but an even, no? Okay, towards up, it rises up. I'm sorry, rises left and rises right. Rises left, rises right. Okay. Nakuha? Okay. Why? Because it's an even, no? If it's 4 even, it is rising up, no? Rises up. Both both the end tail, no? Kuha? Okay, this one. That is the direction. It's positive. Okay? So if I'm going to be actually changing that, it becomes a negative. Tignan natin, no? Okay. And then, this must be a negative. Tignan natin, no? What happens? Oops. Parang ayaw. Okay, lagyan natin ng negative 1. Ayan. Okay. Saan siya papunta, no? Okay, it's the opposite because I gave a negative, no? This one seems going down. This one, no? Okay? So I'll add more. I'll add more here. Not right, but down. Negative 4. Okay, really, the end tail, the other end tail is going down, no? This one. Okay? Okay, what about changing it to, let's check. It's now raised to a negative x, no, negative x and then raised to 5. Okay, let's see. Raised to 5, ha? Okay, tignan natin ang mangyayari sa kanya. Hihilo na siya. Okay. Okay, this one seems to be going rises left and then falls right, no? That is a negative x raised to 5. Okay? And then the opposite, it should be positive, no? It's positive x raised to 5. And then this one could be a positive, wala na yung negative 1. Yung times, no? What happens to it? It will be the opposite. Oops. Ayan. Gumaganon siya, no? Oh. Okay, let's go. So it's 12:32. So I hope you know this, no? Naintindihan niyo pa ba ito? Hindi na yata. Okay, sige. Let's have all of this tomorrow, even the graphing. Pabasa naman po ito, no? Tsaka yung textbook para naintindihan niyo, no? Okay. The violet there is telling something, no? They are the boundary. It's in our textbook actually, no? Okay, open your Excel. Open this one. Okay? Okay, that's it for today. And tapos na yata tayo. Na mag-graph na lang tayo tomorrow. More of graphing na tayo. Okay? So the graph of polynomial function, not graphing, no? Okay, it's easy, no? It's telling about domain and range, and it's telling also about the exponent, if it's even or odd, and it's telling also about the coefficient, if it's negative or positive, and you're talking about the leading term only, huh? Okay, evaluate the leading term, and then it will vary, no? Okay, why? Because the polynomial function really is an infinite graph, no? It's indefinite, okay? The arrow itself is saying drawing of that one should be extending infinitely, no? Infinity, through infinity. Okay, that's it. Naintindihan naman na Faith? Okay, okay. So, madalian lang tayo, no? Pero, please, no? Practice, practice, practice. Read, 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 no? Okay, that's it. Bye-bye. And then your attendance should be saying, okay, present sa chat box.